Hi, boys and girls. Mrs. Freeland here. We're getting so close to having your letter ready to go. So, yesterday we checked to make sure your letter made sense. So today we're going to look for the little details like capital letters, periods, and marks at the end of sentences and commas. So I'm going to go over a list of things that you need to check your letter for to make sure it is just perfect. So every time you use the word I to talk about yourself, it has to be capital I. Names get capitalized with a capital letter, okay? When we have a date, like Saturday, comma, December 1st, we always put a comma in that date. If we have a list of things, we make a comma. The end punctuation. End punctuations are a period, an exclamation mark, and a question mark. The front of our sentences always get a capital letter. So here's an example of a date that gets capitalized with a comma, and there's where the comma goes, okay? Also, because this is a letter, at the beginning of our letter when we have dear, that gets capitalized, the person's name gets capitalized, and we use a comma after that and a comma after sincerely. Also, sincerely gets capitalized. So let me show you things in my letter that I capitalized. If you could see it here, I know it's small on your screen. So I wrote, dear was a capital. The principal is a capital because I was writing to her. I used a comma here. Oh, look, I used a capital I. I put a period at the end of my sentence. There's another capital I, period at the end. Capital with a new sentence, all right? I used a comma after my transition phrases. Every sentence starts with a capital letter and has some kind of punctuation at the end, either a question mark, a period, or a exclamation mark. And then at the end, if you write sincerely or thank you, that gets capitalized with a comma, and your name gets capitalized, first name and last name, boys and girls. So this is a checklist for you to work with today of things that you need to make sure go through. You don't have to rewrite it. Just go through with maybe another color pen or marker and make sure those are capitals and periods at the end of each sentence, and your commas are there, and your capitals are at the beginning and end. Okay, boys and girls, just got to make it look really great. So when someone reads it, they don't see your mistakes. They listen to what you have to say, which is the most important thing, right? Okay, boys and girls, good luck today. Fix them up.